Now read a passage about the collective problem solving in birds. Now listen to a lecture on this topic in an ornithology class.
Today, let's explore an example of collective problem solving in birds, specifically in the context of sparrows. Sparrows are known for their social behavior, often seen foraging and moving in flocks. Now, consider this scenario. A group of sparrows comes across a feeder with seeds, but it's covered by a complex lid that requires manipulation to access the food. Individually, a sparrow might struggle with this task, but here's where their collective intelligence shines. First, one sparrow approaches and investigates the lid, pecking at it and moving it slightly. Although this action alone doesn't open the feeder, it provides valuable information to the rest of the flock. Observing this, another sparrow joins in, and together, they manage to shift the lid a bit more. As more sparrows gather, each one adds to the effort, either by directly manipulating the lid or by learning from others' actions and trying different techniques. Eventually, through this collaborative effort, the sparrows manage to open the lid, allowing the entire flock to access the food. This is a remarkable display of collective problem solving. Each sparrow's contribution, though small, adds up to a successful solution that none of them could have achieved alone. It's a clear demonstration of how social interactions and shared knowledge within a flock can lead to effective problem-solving strategies.
Explain how the example from the lecture illustrates the concept of collective problem solving in birds.
Please prepare your answer after the beep. Please begin speaking after the beep.